Crank, crank. Okay, that's it.
And extend it slightly.
Timing chain is gone. He's got brand new solenoids in here. That didn't help. It's time to remove the valve cover and inspect the timing chain from the top, and then take the timing cover out. I'm thinking the timing chain is all over the place.
Very easy, go.
Oh boy, exactly what I expected. Look at this. Wow. And look at this. Wow. Look at this. This is broken. Give me the magnet. Where's the magnet? Jimmy. Where's magnet, Jimmy? Pick this one up there. There you go, right there. Wow.
Oh shit, lost on that.
As I'm talking about it, inspecting everything, and I'm looking around, that's broken. God dang. Look, another one over there. I didn't even see that one, Jim.
That's super good.
Now we gotta see all of them. They've been flapping around all this time, I guess. Oh, look at this one, another one right here. They're all broken. Oh, this here. We need a bigger magnet than this, Jim. Right there, Jim. Holy smoke. Okay, these two are good. And this one is good. That one is busted. And this one is no good. I don't even have to do a compression test or leak down test, because I can see with my eyes that this valve, it's pushed almost all the way down. So is this one, so is this one. This one is. So I end up moving the oil pan, and to support this engine I just put a piece of 2x4 over here, because I'm gonna end up moving the head. So this will do it. And next is timing cover. I didn't get a video on this because this is easy. All you got about 13mm bolts here. Oil pan is out, timing cover's out, chain is out. Now it's time to pull the head out. You see underneath, all the valves are sticking out. Oh boy. So it looks like we need all of them, exhaust and intake valves. Okay, after all this mess, I got everything in. Now it's time to start this thing up. Not even 70,000, huh? I'm gonna hear a lot of noise now. Check engine is on. A little misfire, but that would go away in a few minutes. Car running.
Huh?